Got some break to it, man. It's like a little slider. $40. $40. $40.
Sprinkled in some 41s.
Yeah. You're only 60% fake, you know?
What? What?
So, you want me to go some more, or are you good?
I'm good, thanks.
Alright, well.
Yeah? Did it on 140? I can do it again. 42?
No, not yet.
It's on here right now.
You hear Zach talking a big game? Saying he's gonna throw 86 today off the mound? You better get that on the grind. Now that you said it, you can't let us down.
I got 10 hours of sleep for it.
Hey, you wanna let me, you wanna gun me over there?
Yeah, I think you're gonna be after?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can just go.
I'm sorry, man. I'm the gun man. Pretty active. Oh, yeah.
Mine does, Zach.
Alright, find this one up now.
Doesn't matter.
Bro.
Brent's on Aliens right now. We just watched a video.
Are you serious? Bro.
About aliens? Dude, they're in his DNA, bro. I'm telling you,
we went on a road trip to Baltimore one time, and we were driving like late at night, and I put on this alien show called I think it's called Out of the Blue or Into the Blue or something like that. It's like the best one I've ever seen. And I fell asleep,
Yeah.
and Brent like woke me up just to be like, that was the best alien documentary I've
I
ever
bet
seen.
you, like, if me and Brett were driving through, like,
Such a nerd,
me and
dude.
Brett were driving through the Nevada desert, and we went in front of Area 51. He's like, bro, let me get out. And we just started, like, booking it on the base.
Oh my
Brett, shit.
god.
Oh, bro, dude, 50, bro.
$40.
First one? I mean, I spiked it.
Yeah.
That was 40.
Nope. Yeah, you're getting it down. You're not really picking it up when you when you fully get through.
You slipped on that one.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like to me like you're getting here, like you get here and then you're good, and then you're like here and then you slam it from the side. You're not getting up and laying it back.
Back here.
Yeah.
Anytime it slips out of your hand like that, it's gonna be boo-boo.
Oh yeah. 40.
Yeah, but not getting the air.
I feel like I'm not hearing the plate pop either.
What's going on, man?
What, did I pop it or no?
I don't know. See how long you can stay a testimonial for. No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
That was messed up.
No, I'm just joking, bro. I'm fucking with you. $38. Nah. Anaerobics.
I did not want to do that.
How much did you tighten this one?
A lot. It's almost all the way tight.
Dude, Reagan thinks he's king of the court.
Oh yeah, he does.
He thinks he's king of the courts out there. Huh?
Still undefeated.
What are you talking about? We beat you, me and Gary.
2-on-2 with Adam does not count.
Yes, it does. Adam looks like he ate like 3 of me, dude. You guys should have been able to beat us. You got run.
2-on-2 doesn't count. 1-on-1.
He barely beat me 1-on-1. Barely. He won 7-5.
Workout. After a full workout.
All he did was just use his body and just tried to back me down. That's all he did.
7-0.
Bro, I'll beat you. I'll beat you today. Joe, this guy thinks he's got game. He talked all this. I said nobody could score on him. He barely beat me. He won 7-5. Barely. Dude, I'm out of shape. He got me on the conditioning, dude. I was up 5-3 and I got tired.
DVG, that's his game. His game is endurance.
It's endurance and it's quickness, dude. I can beat him off the dribble.
The fact that he's coming off the bench.
He's been playing the past 2 weeks. He's getting his confidence up. What you say? You were all conference in high school or something?
Team captain.
Team captain, all conference. Look at him.
New York. What?
Like when you land, you got to get here.
New Mexico.
You're landing, like you're here and you're like.
Oh no, New York.
New York guy. Jersey guy.
You're from Jersey?
He was like on a cover of a magazine for football in high school.
Where'd you play?
What?
And like what high school?
Camden Catholic.
What?
Camden Catholic.
Because I know there's one big high school in Jersey. I'm trying to think of the name of it.
Don Bosco.
Yeah.
They beat us 73-23.
Yeah, because IMG plays them like every year now.
Well, I wasn't the quarterback that year.
Yeah.
Hear that? Joe wasn't the quarterback then, though, dude.
Was it?
Huh?
Was it?
He went to Wisconsin, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. To play Cuban?
He's a baller. He would tear you up in basketball. I'm sorry, bro. He would. Joe's. Right now, Joe's the best athlete in here, like hands down. I'm sorry.
I mean, I'm not saying that. I don't know. I'm just saying, hey.
Dude, Joe, he's saying he can beat you, man.
1-on-1 is a different story. There's a strategy to it. It's not like
Joe. He thinks he can beat you, dude.
It's not like a 5v5 game.
He barely beat me, and I was cold.
It's not like a 5v5 game.
He barely beat me, and I was cold. I think Joe can handle this.
Hey, I'm gonna let my record.
Yeah. Oh, the grind! Oh, the grind. Yeah.
You're so funny.
Close friend.
Oh god. Apo could be watching.
Apo. He's gonna hit you up.
Apo is just out there leading people down the wrong path, bro.
Apo comes down the top heat.
Bro, I don't want to see 40s anymore. Come out of your freaking shoes. I want a 43.
Wow. 42.
There we go.
Damn.
Yeah. Gained a pound.
41.
He gained a pound today, and now he's feeling like a big boy.
Slowly but surely, man.
He's getting there.
It's progress. We celebrate progress.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, 40. Dude, it has mad brake though, bro. I would have swung over it.
Slider.
Come out of your shoes, bro. Come on, drive. 42.
Why are your shoes still on, bro?
There was no drive, and you're hitting no plate pop, and you're hitting 42s, dude.
It is super tight. Like, we tightened it all the way.
Super tight.
This block is super hot.
40.
One more.
Hey, bro, leave your trunk back, bro. You're getting anxious, man.
Yeah.
Pop the plate on.
Spiker. Spikeroo.
Come on.
Joe, what do you think? You think you can beat Reagan one-on-one?
He knows I can beat him one-on-one.
We can play right now. I'm always open.
Oh man.
3, 2, 1.
I'll take care. Let's go. Come on. Up. You got it. Up. Come on. You got it. Up. Up.
That's my max. Let's go. I'm impressed. I'm gonna keep going.
Keep going.
Why not? 230. This is what I failed on when I maxed out.
I guess the push-ups every night help.
Yeah. This is what I get for doing push-ups every night. I'm gonna go for 1. This is what I failed on last time I maxed out on bench.
Yeah.
Charge? Why? I hope Kenneth is watching this because he spotted me when I did 230 and I was so close.
Kaywood always watching, bro.
Dude, he was spotting me when I was doing this and I was literally right here and it just fell. And I was so mad.
Good old K-Bone.
230. 3, 2, 1.
Come on. Like 4, let's go. Oh, you got it. You got it.
That's a new max. Let's go.
Keep going. Right.
Huh?
Gonna keep going.
Why not? Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
You got it now. I think you got control.
The grind. The grind. Me? No. Yeah, I put a 10 on. Grind. Who needs music? You gotta spot me. Yeah, Zach's over there being an eye guy doing this pull-ups. I'm just kidding, he's not an eye guy. Push.
Was that 235?
Huh?
What was that?
235.
The grind.
That's 10 more pounds than my max.
That's my max.
All right, well, we're gonna keep going just to beat you.
You're about to eclipse me.
240. Them push-ups, bro. Do 100 push-ups every night. That's how your max will go up. Yeah, I just want to beat Steve.
You know, honestly, at this point, I don't think we're gonna feel the difference.
I'm like a proud father.
How much is that?
Just want my son to do better than me.
Grind.
That's what I wish I could do.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, get it.
Come on, Zach. Come on.
Come on. Drive it up. Yeah. Come on, go. Woo!
I'm done.
Woo!
I beat Steve. I'm happy with myself. Let's go.
Very good job.
Ah! I'm happy.
I'm not even mad. I'm impressed.
7 maxed it.
My
What?
goal today was
maxed it.
my goal
Good,
today
man.
was to hit 220 for 3, and then I did that, and it was kind of easy, so I kept going.
Good. You're your own best coach. Let me see that smile, Gary. I said, let me see that smile, man.
What's up?
Not much. We're talking to Reagan.
Huh?
Reagan's in denial that we put that whooping on him earlier. Him and Adam.
He's not in denial.
Oh, he is.
Hey, that's fake confidence. Seriously. Like he knows deep down inside. For real. Fake confidence.
Oh God. Reagan, I'm so sorry.
What do you
Oh.
say? Fake confidence.
Gary just called Reagan out hard.
Oh, Reagan, never mind. Weighted pull-ups. 4 sets of 6.